For more AIDE tutorial, go to my playlist and hit the bell notification icon so you will be notified about every new video from this. You can also add progress bar and exit alert dialog in this web view. Again, go to AIDE. I'll continue the same project. Let's add the progress bar. Give it ID. Height and layout. Sorry. Layout underscore height. That will be wrap content. Let's add width. That will be also wrap content. Let's add it and center. Layout under center in parent, that will be true. Okay, let's watch it. It's working here. Now let's go to main activity.java. In Java we need to first add the swipe progress bar. Let's add below the swipe refresh. That will be PB. Let's name it PB. And we'll add progress bar to remove after the page is loaded. Then set pb.set visibility. That will be view dot g. And we'll add the alert dialog here. Exit alert dialog. At the rate override public void on backpress. If w web if web that can go back, that will be web dot go back. Else If the web page can't go back, then we'll add new terms. We'll add alert dialog that will be shown. Do you want to exit the app? Builder equals to new alert dialog.builder that main activity dot this. Now we'll add builder dot set message. Message will be, are you sure you want to exit? This dialog box will appear and we'll need to answer. One yes, another no. Let's set answer builder dot set positive button. Positive button will be yes. After the yes button is clicked, we need to close the app so the main activity will be finished. New dialog interface, dialog interface dot on click listener that will be at the rate override public void on click dialog interface dialog comma int which main activity dot this dot finish. If negative button is pressed and no, let's copy this. Up to here, copy paste, button will be negative. New dialog interface on public void dialog int that will be same. Now we'll need to cancel the dialog. Now I'll cancel dialog dot cancel. If the user press no, dialog will be hidden and they will see the UI page error. You can also watch my previous tutorial on alert dialog. I'll put the link in the description so that you will easily know how to create alert dialog. Alert dot so. Okay, I forgot to find view by ID. Add a find view by ID of the progress bar. Preview equals to progress bar find view by ID, that will be add.id dot main progress bar. Now again let's view the app. Click on install. Let's open the app. Now it's working properly. You can also click on the back press button. You will see the alert dialog. If I click on no, it will hide the alert dialog. If I click on yes, it will exit the app. Thanks for watching.